What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Create a Blog on Notion. In this video, let me guide you on how you can create a blog on Notion. Let's now start by opening your Chrome and search for Notion. Click the link. You can log in by simply using your Gmail account. From there, open Home on your left side. Then click New Page over here. After that, you can give this one a title. Then on the content part, write slash and type data. On the dropdown, select database full page for us to add database for our blog. From there, you can add your post name on the first column. Then click enter. Hover your mouse on the right side of your post's title. You will see this Open Inside Peek. Click on that. Then on this side, you can add property over here. Now, when I open this, I'm going to add a few properties like author that are helpful for blog entries. So we'll simply use a regular text field for that, most likely a date field. A media property could be beneficial because it allows us to add a cover photo. Let me select a file, and today is the date. And let's designate myself as the author. I now have my database here and my blog landing page, but they don't look great. Now let's add a gallery view of our blog post. Type on gallery after the slash. I will thus choose certain postings to serve as references. The thumbnail will be the cover image, which I will save after setting it. And there, we now have our blog on Notion. Let me know how this video helped you by commenting below. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.